Okay, so I only had 5 minutes and I ran out of time. So this is part 2. I was just about to add the extra instrument to my track that I have. Okay, so I'm going to push record. Always make sure when you're recording that playhead, that white triangle, is all the way back to the beginning. Otherwise, it's going to start recording in the middle. Now, that is not the end of the world because you can just slide it over like a Lego block. Okay, I know that the audio here is sounding a little bit nutso because of the Screencastify. This will be easier on your computer and it won't sound so chaotic, but it's all echoing and delaying. Okay, so I'm sorry about that. It might be easier for you once you're done playing your part to turn the metronome off, because then it's just more things and more layers that you have to listen to. Okay, so let me see what I can make up here. Okay, and then I'm going to stop recording. I thought that sounded pretty good for something I just made up on the spot. Okay, if I started recording and I want to actually start it here, I can move it around. I can do all kinds of different things. Okay. The other thing that you can add in is a loop. Okay, some of these loops are kind of fun. You might want to start with the loop because there's all kinds of things. So I'm just going to click a random one. Some of these are not in the key of D. So on the side here, you can see this is actually in the key of E minor. That's probably not going to work real well, but you're welcome to try. If it does not have a key over here in the right-hand column, that means that it is not a pitch, right? So you can kind of play it. Okay, and if I want that one, that's pretty slick. Okay, then I'm just going to take this and I'm going to drag it right there. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, and now, right, now I've got that. If I want to make it longer, no, that's to make it shorter. I drag that little piece at the end and then it's going to, oh, it didn't repeat itself. So you have to drag it twice, sorry. Okay. So you can kind of do whatever you want to do here. The sky is the limit for you, and it's about you and your creativity. Okay, before you submit it, you want to make sure that you save it. Okay, that's really important. You might want to check the title of it. So I'm going to call it Pentascale, and then Mrs. Bell. Okay. Well, now it's not letting me do anything. And then, but you can, because I already changed the title of this earlier because I've done this recording now like a bazillion times. And then you'll submit this to turn it in. Okay. So experiment and go nuts. I can't wait to hear what you guys are going to come up with and create. You have to have at least 4 tracks for this assignment. You have to have this imported drone track. You have to have you playing the pentascale, and you have to have 2 others in addition to that. Okay, so go and have fun, and I can't wait to hear it. It's going to be awesome.